going on, y'all? I'm back. Got a 2014 Kia Forte. I'm gonna do the front rotors on. I'm gonna show you the front rotors. I got those rotors over there. Causation in the steering wheel. So we're gonna do the front rotors right now. I already got the vehicle jacked up on this side. Come back off. Come back and show you how to take the tire off. Got the lug nuts cracked too. You're gonna need a 21mm socket. Now we got the lug nuts off. I'm gonna take this tire off. I'm gonna come back to you, alright? After you hit the tire off, 21mm. Same thing like a brake setup. What you wanna do is though, I'm gonna hit these two bolts. Right here, and one all the way at the bottom. Right there. Right here and right there. Boom and boom. So previous customer of mine, he had some of these rotors come with a Phillips head screwdriver. And a Phillips head that holds the rotor in place, which really don't make sense because the caliper basically holds the rotor in place, the caliper bracket, but it's how the manufacturer made it. It's like a Phillips head. I took those out previously when I did the front brakes. Use an impact socket to get those out. I took those out previously. If I come across another car with it, I'll show you how to use that. That's for a later video. But right now, I'm gonna go ahead and take those two bolts out. Right here, right there. And the best way to do it, you know, you can turn the car and turn the steering wheel. I'm gonna show you. Hold on. See, turn the steering wheel. You get better access to the bolts, which was 17mm. Ratchet socket. That's what I got, ratchet socket. I already broke them open with a 17mm breaker bar with the breaker bar first. And just turn them. Come loose. The bottom bolt. Take this off, I'm gonna come right back, okay? And after taking those two bolts out, you don't have to really take out the whole brake thing, whole brake unit area. Take the caliper off, hit it with a 14mm. Take the two bolts out at the top where the guide pin set. Just like my last videos with brake jobs. After you took those two bolts out in the back for the rotor, for the bracket, where they go right here. Got your caliper right here. I'm gonna put it up here because you don't want it to dangle. You just easily, sometimes they slide off, but you might have to bang them off. So let me go get a hammer, just hit it from the back, and bang it out. I'll be right back. All right. After banging out the rotor with the hammer, give it a couple whacks. It's gonna break. Slide it off. Boom. Whole rotor. See, it's warping. Made damages, but it's warping. You see it. It's the old rotor to the new rotor. I'm gonna spray this inside of this with some brake clean and lubricate it up with some anti-seize so you ain't gotta bang it out like how I just did. Some anti-seize. Do that, let's get back to you. After wiping it down, got some brake anti-seize on there. Sprayed the rotor down with some brake clean. Now you just put it back on the hub. show you what to do next. Alright. What I usually do, what you should do, get one lug nut, screw it in so you can hold the rotor in place. So what you want to do now is put the caliper bracket back on. You take the two 17mm bolts. You see how when you turn the steering wheel, you got better access to it. I'm gonna tighten these two bolts down. 17mm right here. Let me hand tighten them. Hand screw them in there. Just gonna tighten them up. After doing that, you're gonna throw your caliper back on. Put this brake pad back in first. Slide back on like that. And throw your caliper back on. Throw this caliper back on. I'm gonna come right back, okay? Putting the caliper back on. Hand tightening. 14mm bolts. Bottom and the top. Take the 14mm, right socket. Just tight. Boom. This lug nut now, and you're done. It's the front rotor. If you like this video, like and subscribe, comment. Any questions, let me know.